Have you been hoarding too many Notion templates? You have a dream productivity system consisting of the templates that will be the perfect fit for your needs, but not all the templates you find will actually be used. This is what the Notion Template Organizer is for, a template made to help you prioritize and organize all the Notion templates you've duplicated so you can finally stop hoarding Notion templates and start being productive. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Notion Template Organizer. Let's start. Go to the sidebar and move your Notion template to the Template Organizer. You can either click the three dots menu of your newly duplicated template and move it to the Notion Templates database, or you can just drag and drop the template to the Dropbox view. Then when you visit the homepage of the organizer, the template will now be here in the Add New Here section. The Add New Here section shows you the templates from today. Now it's time to prioritize. Your goal here is to prioritize, determine which templates are useful and which aren't. Bookmark the template if you're still working on it. You have a clutter of templates. So what's the status of your prioritization? Is it unopened? Are you still deciding? Or is it useful or trash? Think, what is the significance of this template? What impact will this template make on your system? Will this template serve as the main system? A supporting system that's attached to the main system? Are you just going to extract some features of this template but not use the rest? Is this for inspiration only, such as in aesthetics? Or is this trash? You can decide this here. You can take a note on which features from this template are the ones you want, and organize them by Notion creator. And lastly, you can choose the template archetype. Is it a task manager, a notes manager, a second brain, habit tracker, or you can add your own. Each Notion creator has their own version of the same template archetype, so choose the archetype here. Favorite the template you think has really high value, and archive the templates that you want to hide. All unarchived non-trash templates go to the active view. A Kanban board of template prioritization is also here. Templates that are unopened or are still being decided upon are open for decision, so they're in the open view. Useful templates are here, while the ones you won't need are in the trash. In the utility views are where the bookmarked, favorite, or recently edited templates are located. Say for example, your goal is to build your own second brain, so what do? This means you'll mainly be working with the utility view section as your guide, since it's where you keep all the key Notion templates sorted based on significance. The directory page is the yellow pages of all your templates. It's where all your content made are located, including a view for all your templates and a view for all your archived ones. Hoarding too much? You don't need to worry about that anymore. Use the Notion Template Organizer to prioritize which templates matter and which ones don't.